Today I shall start exercise 7.2 question number 4. Question is, find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3, 10 and 6, minus 8 is divided by minus 1, 6. Now listen, AB is the line segment. Coordinate of A is minus 3, 10 and coordinate of B is 6, minus 8. P is a point which divides the line segment AB in the ratio M1 is to M2. I have taken it, and coordinate of the point P is minus 1, 6. Okay. Now x1 is the x coordinate of A, so minus 3, y1 equal to 10, m1 equal to m1, x2 equal to 6, y2 equal to minus 8, m2 equal to m2. The point P minus 1, 6 divides the line AB in the ratio M1 is to M2. M1 is to M2. So X, anything you can write, X or Y, any formula you can write. X equal to M1 X2 plus M2 X1 by M1 plus M2. Value of X is minus 1 and M1 is M1, X2 is 6 plus M2 and value of X1 is minus 3 by M1 plus M2. Now by cross multiplication we get minus 1 into M1 plus M2 equal to, break the bracket, 6M1 minus 3M2. So minus M1 minus M2 equal to 6M1 minus 3M2. Now both of the M1 you take to the left hand side and both of the M2 you bring to the right hand side. So minus M1 minus 6M1 equal to minus 3M2 minus, this minus will come here as plus M2. So here minus 6, 7M1, because 6 is greater and before 6 there is minus sign, and minus minus plus, and here 3 is greater and before 3 there is minus sign, and minus plus minus. So I have done here subtraction. So minus minus cancel. Now 7M1 equal to 2M2. So M1 by M2 equal to 2 and this 7 will here by cross multiplication process. So M1 ratio M2 equal to 2 ratio 7. Okay. Now question number 5. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining A 1, minus 5 and B minus 4, 5 is divided by the x-axis. Also find the coordinate of the point of division. Now look whatever given in question through the solution. A, B is the line segment whose coordinate A and B are given, and it is P is a point which divides the line segment AB, suppose by the ratio M1 is to M2, and coordinate of P is x, 0, because it is given that P is a point on x-axis. You know a point on x-axis is always coordinate x, 0, and a point when is y-axis then their coordinate is 0, y. So P is a point on x-axis, so second coordinate will be 0. So x, 0. Let the line segment AB is divided by the point P at x-axis in the ratio M1 is to M2. So P, coordinate of P is x, 0. So x1 equal to 1, coordinate of x coordinate of A, y1 is the y coordinate of A, and M1 equal to M2. And here also coordinates of B are x2 minus 4, y2 5, m2 equal to m2. Whose value is 0, that should be taken. So here y equal to 0. So y equal to, I have written m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So y value of y is 0. So m1 y2 is 5 plus m2 y1 equal to minus 5 by m1 plus m2. So 0 into m1 plus m2 will be 0. Okay. And here you write 5m1 minus 5m2 equal to 0 by cross multiplication. So 5m1 equal to 5m2. 5 cancel. So m1 equal to m2. When m1 equal to m2, the ratios is 1 is to 1. So m1 ratio m2 equal to 1 ratio 1. And here second part is no. Question is what is the value of x? So x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. So put the values and get minus 4 plus 1 by 2, that is minus 3 by 2. So coordinate of the point P is minus 3 by 2 comma 0. Okay. And come to the question number 6. Question is if 1 comma 2 4 comma y x comma 6 and 3 comma 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, then find the value of x and y. Now here ABCD a quadrilateral whose coordinates are given. Okay. Now in a parallelogram we know the diagonals bisect each other. So OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. That is x is the midpoint of diagonal AC and BD. So midpoint formula we can apply. So by midpoint formula A, this is A, look here, A equal to x 1 plus x by 2 equal to 4 plus 3 by 2. Okay. Both of the points, O is the midpoint of AC and BD. So A equal to 4 plus 3 by 2 and 1 plus x by 2. Now 2 cancel. So 1 plus x equal to 3 plus 4 7. So x equal to 7 minus 1 6. And again B equal to y plus 5 by 2 equal to 2 plus 6 by 2. Means second coordinate. So B equal to 5 plus y by 2 equal to 2 plus 6 by 2. 2 cancel. So 5 plus y equal to 8 and y equal to 8 minus 5 3. So x equal to 6 and y equal to 3. Okay.